Hi, this is Dr. Dennis Buckley. This presentation is to educate people about laser therapy and its benefits and why the Class 4 laser from Cutting Edge Lasers is the best laser available on the market to help you with your problems. Laser is a form of treatment aimed to treat aches and pains, inflammation, traumas, hematomas, and it is used, and the cutting edge laser is now present in the most prominent medical centers and clinics, hospitals in the world. The basics of laser therapy is laser is light, light is energy, and the energy of the laser interacts with the tissue and it causes biological effects. When you have laser on the skin, four things happen. You get a reflection, which is what you see on the skin. You get transmission, which is the penetration down into the tissues. You get scatter as it hits the structures, and also you get absorption, which causes the biological effects. Basically, laser therapy is the use of light to enhance the body's natural healing processes. The light source is conveyed to the skin, allowing the light energy and photons to penetrate the tissue, where it interacts with various molecules and results in different biological effects. These biological effects are photochemical, photothermal, and photomechanical. They're localized, and they basically produce things such as analgesic effect, which is pain relief. They're anti-inflammatory in nature. They regulate vascular function or improve blood flow or lymph flow or inflammation disbursement. And they also are active in reparative and regenerative actions of the tissues that may be injured. The photochemical interactions act on the cell, increasing a lot of cell metabolism. Photothermal is basically for circulation improvement, bringing nutrients and oxygen to the areas. And the photomechanical basically helps with the process of improving the environment by moving inflammation out, moving good blood flow and energy and nutrients in, and basically reactivating the circulation so things can heal. Like you said, at the cellular level, basically it's to help the cells become more active and do what they're supposed to do in repairing. At the tissue level, basically it's to improve the repair of the tissues that may be injured, and also improving the circulation. And also at the systemic level, basically it causes an analgesic effect, the blocking of pain, getting the inflammation out of the areas, increasing endorphin synthesis for pain relief, and increasing pain threshold. The MLS laser therapy from Cutting Edge Laser, MLA stands for multi-lock system. It's got FDA clearance, 510K. Is to provide topical heating for the purposes of elevating tissue temperature for temporary relief of muscle and joint pain and stiffness, arthritis pain, and muscle spasm, and temporarily increase local blood circulation or promotion, relaxation of muscles. And the cutting edge laser from ASA, and the multi-lock system, it has been studied in many clinical studies, mostly in Italy, where the cutting-edge laser is manufactured and produced, and it's been used for various muscle and bone tendon problems, and it's been found to be very effective to treat things such as low back pain, shoulder pain, sciatica, carpal tunnel problems, metatarsal tunnel syndromes, which is in the foot, and also tension headaches. It's also been very effective in dealing with extremity problems such as the shoulder, the ankle, and knee, and basically it's been allowed people to resolve painful problems and recover in a very short time. For example, in the chronic low back study, they had 60 patients, 26 men and 34 women, and to qualify for the study, they had to have pain for more than 3 weeks, and it is due to a mechanical problem, so not an infection or a cancer or something. They received 1 daily session, 10 sessions in whole. 30 patients got the treatment and 30 did not. The results showed that with the laser therapy and the treated group, that the pain reduction was dramatic. If you saw on the chart there, it started at a 7 and then it went down to a 2, where the control group, who didn't receive care, the pain went up. Basically, the action principle between MLS laser therapy from cutting edge laser is it combines a synchronized, specific, continuous, and pulsed emission. What this means for you is that basically you get the best of both worlds. You're getting a laser and one frequency that allows for increased circulation, and you get one that's also for regeneration and pain relief. So the MLS laser therapy advantages from cutting-edge laser is that basically it acts on the extracellular matrix. This means outside the cell, the fluid that may be accumulated, that may be inflammation. It also has a simultaneous effect on inflammation, edema, and pain at the same time. And because of the frequency and the power of the laser, you have reduced treatment times. It's much more effective, so you get faster results within shorter amount of treatments. Basically, the treatment is homogeneously distributed, so you don't get better healing at one area than the other. It's very effective in its action because it's penetrating. Basically, no habituation means you don't get used to it. Doesn't mean you need. It means that you don't need more and more to get the same effect. And also, it's an automatic application. So, therapeutic effect for you is a strong pain relieving effect, an intense anti-inflammatory and anti-edema. It gets the inflammation and swelling out of there, and they act at the same time. So what happens is your symptoms improve from just the very first applications. The treatment times are less, and the results last longer. So basically what it does is that MLS, which stands for multi-lock system, which is the two different laser beams synchronized together, acts simultaneously on inflammation and pain and also repair at the same time. One of the things about laser safety is that with the more powerful lasers in class 4, that one of the problems that developed was that some of the class 4 lasers, because of their higher power, if not applied properly, would cause an extra thermal effect, which actually would burn the patient, causing destruction of the cell instead of repair. Basically, with the multi-lock system, this is addressed because of the safety. You never get the buildup of heat that can cause damage. Also, laser therapy is actually a good complement or replacement for other traditional physiotherapy therapies, such as electrotherapy, which is muscle stimulation, shock waves, which is percussion, magnetotherapy, ultrasound, which is sound waves, and diathermy and hyperthermia, which is hot and cold. You don't get all three effects with any one of these other modalities, but with MLS laser therapy, you do get all three. Cutting edge laser is featured at this office. The way it works is your first therapy is free as an introduction. Follow-up sessions are at $40 per session. If you combine it with your chiropractic treatment, the laser therapy is only $20. You can buy packages of 6 treatments, and you can get those at $30 per treatment for $180. The treatment is safe, fast, and effective, so you should schedule your complimentary consultation today to see if laser therapy would be appropriate for you. I'm Dr. Dennis Buckley at the Health Advantage. I can be reached at 626-798-7805, or go to our website, www.health-advantage.net, or dennis@health-advantage.net if you have any questions. Make your appointment today and enjoy the benefits of laser therapy.